There is. I don't know what happened to my mowing video, but yeah, that's falling. Wow, that's greasing right up. Pulling it right up. That's that dirt underneath from all the water back here. Damn. Okay. I mowed the lawn. As you can see, it's an awesome job. I didn't know where to throw. It was a lot of clippings. Yeah, it was real tall this time over the cut amount. And I don't mow it often enough, evidently. So anyway, I mowed my lawn. And I picked up the garage. In other words, I'm putting a recyclable bowl over here. Oh, look out, I hit that edge, see? I just hit that edge. And I'm bringing in the, I don't know what you call that damn thing, the thing you cook on with gas. I don't know what the name of it is. Oh, what'd you say, gas cooker? All right, hang on, I'll be right in. I'll put it right over there by the window. Oh, that's the tarp. Yeah, that's a tarp underneath here. Storage. And this fell out as I was kicking it. Kicking it. Get that out of the way. And we'll bring this over here. In other words, I get most of this stuff into the corner. It has less tendency to get sucked up by the wind. Whereas I had the two rugs there, I tossed them in the corner. And I think that's all we need to do. Watch out for the sun. I figured she brought everything in here. Well, just plants. Hang on. Yep, hang on. I don't know what the... So anyway, we're supposed to get a hurricane tonight. Did I mention that? Tonight and tomorrow. Supposed to get a hurricane. What do you think, Addie? Hey! Hi, Addie. Don't get the other eye open. No, just one eye. I see you. I brought this hand up, but she didn't see it. I get a finger on the window. I brought it up real quick, and she didn't know what it was. Ah, look at that. What a lousy job, Gary. You got grass all over the place. What a bonehead. All right. Oh, I don't have to sweep it off. The hurricane will take it. Look out. Wow. Okay. So anyway, and we're all done out here picking up stuff. I'll bring the hose in, just because. Yeah, just because it's not hooked up. So, hang on to your belly jeans. We're going to put a garden in here, in these stones that I erected. Nope, not anymore. We're going to take this dirt out And we're going to put stones in. Yeah, good thing, because that was already growing. You see that? Jesus Christ. So anyway, we're going to throw a little, whatchamacallit here. I don't know what a whatchamacallit is, but whatchamacallit. Well, you know I can do this? I can leave it right there. That wind's not going to blow that much. It can't blow that. There's nothing on it now. I'll leave that right where it is. Let the birds, that won't move it. If that tips over, thank you very much. Look at that, Sharon did that today. I must have been snoozing it watching a movie, never heard her. I do that. I do. I do that. Hey, wouldn't you? Hey, I got a chance to sit in my recliner or go out and help you on the porch. Guess which one I did. Atta girl. Alright, we're done. I gotta wash my glasses here. See if they look any different. We're putting a little bit of soap on them. And I'll put these in the dishwasher too. Sharon bought breakfast at Countryville at a golf course on South Street. And I bought a pint of ice cream for each of us. I know, Gary. You wanna know something? My ice cream with a tip, I didn't give him a tip, 25 bucks, hang on. I gave the girl 25 bucks. 20, it was 21 something for both tubs of ice cream. And I gave her 25. And Sharon's bill for breakfast was 32. It was 20 something with a tip. 27 with a tip, as a matter of fact. Mine was 25 with a tip. Hers was 27, and then the tip was a 32. Yeah, she says she's gonna buy me breakfast, so good deal. I don't make her do that a lot because she doesn't have that much money. She's making some money at the card shop, or I should say the curiosity shop, but that is not a lot of money. Price I make probably, if I did my lawns regularly, at 200 bucks a week, and she doesn't get that. So she probably gets 200 bucks maybe in a good month. That's washable though, I see that. Yeah, there's a bunch of spots on this. So she's not home right now. Erin gave her boyfriend her car because his brakes aren't good. Or it doesn't have any brakes. So she gave him her car to take to work. Oh no, he's got brakes. He doesn't have any back brakes, I should say. So she took Aaron's car, or he took Aaron's car. Jesus, I can't even talk tonight. What the fuck? I think it might be the pizza. Yeah, we got a pizza from Johnny's in Brooklyn yesterday, and we like it. Ooh, that's all gone. We like it a little bit more cooked than it comes in. It hangs a little bit. But last night we got this. No, I don't like that. We ate it. We had the pizza, but I'll let him know that that's... I don't like that. We'll figure it out. We ate it. Johnny's, you got good pizza. I don't know who the guy is. Aaron's friend or something in the kitchen, so... I ain't bitching. I ate it, so Not quite the pizza I figured it was gonna be, because we do like it a little weller done than usual, or, and that's a bit too much. All right, we're stocked in and ready for a hurricane. I got almost a full tank on the generator, and I got a half a tank of gas in the 5-gallon can. And I'm not running that generator except maybe to keep the fridge up if the electricity goes that long, about that long. Hi, honey. Did you see me at the window? Did you? I bet you did. I bet you did. Huh? Did you see me at the window? That was my finger. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You big girl. Where's your sister? Under mommy's bed as usual? Yeah, I know. I know. Don't look at the camera. Don't look at the camera. Too close. Oh, she's gonna shut off my metal.